guys, this is Marvin from shopsadapage.com, and today we are going to do an unboxing and review of the Tronsmart Encore Spunky Buds Bluetooth earphones. Let's get to it. So right here I have the Tronsmart Spunky Buds wireless headphones. This is IPX5 water resistant and features true wireless stereo mode. At the back of the box we have more information about the product, which we're going to discuss later. First, let's see what comes in the package. So inside the box we have the casing that houses the Bluetooth earbuds itself. We also have here another small box. Inside it we have the warranty card, the user manual, a micro USB cable for charging, and different sizes of ear tips right here. Let's take a closer look at the Tronsmart Encore Spunky Buds. The casing, although made of plastic, feels durable enough. It has a nice weight to it, and I'm digging the texture pattern design on top of it with the Tronsmart logo at the center. I think the pattern is just a sticker, but it looks nice nonetheless. At the back we have some technical information. The casing supports an input of 5V 500 mA. At the side we have the LED indicator for battery level, the micro USB port for charging, and the button to open up the case. So inside the case, of course, we have the two Bluetooth earbuds itself. Removing them from the case, we'll see the contact pins right here for charging. The casing and the earbuds are actually magnetic to make sure that the charging connections are in place and that the earbuds won't move inside the case while you carry this along with you. The magnets, as you can see, is quite strong, which is very well appreciated. Before we proceed, I would just like to pop the specifications on the screen so you can check it out. Now, looking closer at the earbuds itself, it's evident that the form factor is a little bit on the larger side compared to other wireless earbuds out there. It might not be for everyone, but for me personally, I think I can handle this size, especially that my ears are equally large anyways. So I think it boils down to personal preference. Now, when it comes to functions and controls, the left side earbud would be the main unit that will be connecting to your device, while the right side will be connected to your device once the left side is paired successfully. Both earbuds support touch control, so if you want to play or pause, just tap once, and if you want to skip track, just tap twice. The same gestures goes for answering and rejecting calls, but only on the left side. So the microphone is on the left side here, and to answer a call you just have to tap once, and if you want to reject the call, just tap twice. Pretty simple. The earbuds have a small ear hook right here to keep it snugly fit on your ears, and the ear tips can also be replaced with different sizes depending on your ears. The Tronsmart Spunky Buds uses Bluetooth 4.2, so pairing this to your device is super easy. You just have to open the case, remove the Spunky Buds, and it will automatically turn on and go to pairing mode. Both of the earbuds LED will flash as you can see here, and all you have to do is turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone, pair it with the Tronsmart Spunky Buds, and you're good to go. Now, you can actually use the Spunky Buds as a single earphone by pairing only the left side earbuds to your device without having to use the right side, which I think is a nice feature if you want to be able to hear your environment. Speaking of environment, the Tronsmart Spunky Buds is an IPX5 water resistant, so you can definitely use this while working out or running outside without any issues. When it comes to battery life, this earbuds has 50 mAh capacity on each side, while the charging case has a decent 470 mAh capacity. So if you run out of juice or done using the earbuds, you can just pop it back in the case and it will automatically recharge. As per my testing, I was able to fully charge the casing for just around 1.5 hours using a fast charger, while the earbuds itself was able to recharge inside the case for around 1.5 hours as well. Continuous music playback time as per my testing is around 3 hours at 75% volume, and I was able to recharge the earbuds inside the case for approximately 3 times. Overall, the battery life is decent, and with the charging case, it can last you practically the whole day. The microphone quality is adequate. My wife was able to hear me clearly without any issues. And lastly, with regards to sound quality, the Tronsmart Spunky Buds is actually quite good and balanced for the most part. The mids and highs are clear and the bass is clean. Definitely there but not over the top. The volume levels are well controlled and can get pretty loud, but I would suggest staying around 75 to 85% volume. Sound isolation is pretty good. You won't hear anything around you at all while listening to music, so take precautions when you use this outside. And that leads us to my conclusion. What I like the most about these earphones is the seamless true wireless stereo experience. No power button, no wires, you just simply take out the earbuds and it will automatically connect to your recent device before you even finish putting it on your ears. And once you're done, you can simply put it back to the case and it will be recharged. One of the most convenient wireless earphones that I've experienced so far. The sound quality is also good to top it all off. What I don't like about this, however, is the lack of further gesture controls other than tapping. I would appreciate if it does have something like swiping to go back and forth tracks or adjust the volume right from the earbuds. Other than that, my experience with this is really great and I'm going to use this as my daily driver now. Thanks to Tronsmart for sending this in. You can get this from their official store on Lazada, link on the description below.
And there you have it guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to check the full article link on the description below. Subscribe if you like this and see you next time. Thank you, have a great day.